Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Neo 2 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find security. Now let's scroll down again to the device administration section, and as you can see at the very bottom of it, we've got clear credentials, actually credential storage section, and after tapping on it at the very bottom again, we've got remove all user certificates. So simply tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a PIN, then enter to confirm the whole step, and here we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to clear credentials in your REALME GT Neo 2. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.